I think I'll sing a song by Nancy Kerr. And when describing this to Americans, I like to say that it's English socialist bluegrass. It's called Songbirds. She lent her words to the flock of fledgling fighters yearning for a brighter day. She urged and nurtured their voices, gave them strength to beat their wings and fly away. She turned her back on the tyranny of romance and soft-focused, stifling vanity. She bore the songs of a freedom long in coming, with a chorus of my sisters shall be free. And the sounds and the words and the flights of these songbirds are not over. And the sounds and the words and the flights of these songbirds are not over. His eyes are ash-tinted glass, and he can't help but see the bones beneath your skin. He knows the shape of the clouds that are amassed, and he can tell what's really blowing in the wind. The nightmares roaring in his voices start to wake you from your slumber and implore that you join his tireless voice in crying, we are the enemies of war. And the sounds and the words and the flights of these songbirds are not over. And the sounds and the words and the flights of these songbirds are not over. Julie, tell us about that. Crafted lines for the thankless vocations of coal and earth and grit and servitude. She wrote of times of toil and isolation in a wilderness of bitter solitude. They'd a rhyme for every avenue of struggle that begged the human voice to harmonize. They forged the union of strength and spirit double with their choruses of let the banners fly. And the sounds and the words and the flights of these songbirds are not over. And the sounds and the words and the flights of these songbirds are not over. Alistair, tell us. For they hold the key to life and energy, with string and chanter dancing in their hands. They fling our arms into the air for joy and urge the feet to move to freedom's dance. They form in lines of generations to the rhythm of the tapping of their feet. They scorn convention's moderation, singing we dance to a very different beat. And the sounds and the words and the flights of these songbirds are not over. And the sounds and the words and the flights of these songbirds are not over. And the sounds and the words and the flights of these songbirds on October